This is a Kuraki model KV-2000 CNC vertical machining center. New in 1998. Put into service in July of 1999. This is a X-axis of 80 inches, 80.71 inches. Y-axis of 32.01 inches. And a Z-axis of 30 inches. Machine has a Fanuc 16M control. Let's move it around here. It has a 32 station automatic tool changer. The machine takes Cat 50 tooling. There will be some miscellaneous tool holders with the machine. It has high pressure coolant through the spindle. A chip auger. By the way, it was a Fanuc 16MC control. Maximum table load in the machine is 6,600 pounds. Working surface is 27.56 by 82.68 inches on the table. Spindle speeds are 20 to 6,000 RPM. Spindle motor is 25 horsepower continuous, 29-30 minute horsepower.